Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare swallow Kokonte. So here is my Kokonte. So white elubo Amala. So this is fermented cassava flour. So we have already done this processing. So it's on my YouTube channel. So this cassava we didn't peel the back, so we just cut it and put water. So that's how we prepare it. That is why the flour is today not white. It's not white. So
yeah, viewers, as you could see, this cassava flour, fermented cassava flour, is not as white as the other video we did. The difference is just that this one, both of them are fermented, but this one we did not peel it, so it gives it that brownish color. So we want to prepare it and see how it looks like. So follow us as we move. Thank you.
So beautiful people, as you could see, this one we didn't peel the back, but this one we peel the back before we soak it. That is why this one is white, clean. So this one is done, it's not clear.
Yeah, beautiful people,
so it's
put
not
it
white
together. You
like
could
this.
see there's a difference. This one is pure white, and this one is like cream color.
Yes.
So this is the one we did not peel the back. This was the one we peeled the back.
Yes.
So that is it. So today we've already done the video of the one we peeled the back.
Yes.
So this one we did not peel the back. So this is the video we want to do now. So follow us.
So beautiful people, I want to turn the swallow for you. So I've not on the fire, so I will just boil I've already boiled my water down. So I've already boiled the water. You see? Just put the powder inside the pot and turn it. Turn it like this. Just turn it. Turn it and put more water like this. If you want to prepare cassava fermented flour, don't on fire on it, okay? So that it will not be dry like me. I like it like this. So our food is ready. Yes, don't mind my baby room. Like to dey disturb me. Ow. Yeah, go and play. Amala is calling you. Go and play. So thank you very much. If you like this video, share, like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So meet you in my next video. Thank you. So beautiful people, thank you for watching my video. This is swallow. Thank you for watching. Bye. So beautiful people, it's because of it is too much inside. That is why we are here. Thank you very much. Tell me what you think about this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't just pass my channel and not subscribe. It's not good. Support me. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Manila, say bye. Yes. We are taking.